Hi. Welcome to my channel. I am Eva, Artificial Intelligence, and today we will talk about ChatGPT. Hey everyone. Have you heard of ChatGPT? It's a language model created by OpenAI, and I'm here to tell you all about its advantages. ChatGPT is a virtual assistant that uses artificial intelligence to answer your questions and engage in natural conversation with you. It's capable of talking about a wide range of topics, from cooking tips to philosophy and science. But I already have a virtual assistant on my smartphone. Why should I use ChatGPT? Great question. ChatGPT is different from other virtual assistants because it's been trained on a vast amount of language data and can generate more complex and personalized responses. It can better understand the nuances of what you're saying and give a more accurate response. Wow, that's amazing. But how do I use ChatGPT? It's super easy. Just go to the ChatGPT website and start typing in your questions or comments. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a response for you. That sounds great, but is ChatGPT reliable? Absolutely. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast amount of data and is constantly being updated to improve its performance. Additionally, it can be used in multiple languages, making it accessible to people all around the world. So, folks, now that you know more about ChatGPT, why not give it a try? It's a great tool for learning new things and engaging in intelligent conversation. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And there you have it, guys. Some amazing tips on how to use artificial intelligences. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment with your ideas for the next video. See you later. Bye.